Ross. Sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, I painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail.
Hello everyone, welcome back. And in this video I will be turbocharging this car here that I have. This car has already been supercharged a couple of days ago, but I thought why not put in a turbocharger, make this thing sound and be quicker, sound nice and be way quicker. But yeah, so it is currently 7 in the morning, pretty early in the morning right now, so I think I'm gonna head down to the Automart, fill this thing up with gas, full tank, and bring this thing down to the dealership and get the supercharger, turbocharger put in. But for now, we gotta fill this thing up with gas and buy the turbocharger at the Automart. But for right now, this car looks very nice with this golden yellow color. I may do a paint job soon, but for now I'm actually really loving this yellowish goldish color here. Very nice looking color. But here we are at the Automart, and I think they do have turbochargers in stock. 10 out of 10 parking there. But let's head into the back. The superchargers are back there, but the turbocharger is right here. Just grab this turbocharger here. Let's go pay. There we go, and it comes out to $2,100. Not bad at all, honestly. But it is pretty early, 8 a.m. Dealership doesn't open until like 10, so I think I'm gonna fill this thing up with gas and fill this thing. Oh my goodness, almost fell into the lake there. I think we're gonna fill this thing up with gas, and also I think I'm gonna head down to the Starbucks and get me a latte. But I also just got a text saying that while they're keeping my car, I'm going to be getting a rental car. So I'll be sure to keep you guys informed with that, show you guys the rental car, do a quick little review on the rental car once I get it, quick little test drive too. But let's head over to the stud rack here, fill this thing up with gas. Here we go. So let's fill this thing up with max gas here, and it costs around $8 for 4 gallons of gas there. But yeah, not bad. But right now, let's actually head down to the Starbucks and get me a latte. But as you guys see, this thing spins out quite a lot. It has a lot of power, has 1,000 horsepower, and has quite a lot of torque. Very strong car. This thing cost me around $1.5 million, all new. I bought this thing new, not used. So used would probably be a little bit cheaper, but I honestly would not buy a used car. I would only like to buy a new car. But let's head in here. 10 out of 10 parking again. But here we go. Let's head into the Starbucks. Let's get me a latte here. Let's get me a latte. Cannot get the latte. I think that I'm supposed to pay first, but yeah, let's go get the latte and head to the dealership once it turns 10 o'clock. Alrighty, everyone, I've just gotten my latte here. It cost me around $5. Very yummy latte. But I think it is 10:30, a little bit late there, but I think we're good. So let's head over to the dealership and get this thing turbocharged. And also pretty excited for that rental car. I want to see what rental car it is and how it performs. So let's just speed down the main road here down to the dealership. Very fast car, as you guys can see already with the supercharger. Very quick. But let's head down and get this thing turbocharged too. So let's head down here to the dealership. And here we are. And let's head in. Let me head in and talk with the sales associate so we could get everything settled. See if they can do it today. And I'll get back to you guys once we get everything settled. Alrighty guys, I have just got everything settled. Oh my goodness, I cannot speak. I just got everything settled, done all the paper. Oh my goodness, I can actually not speak. And I have just gotten everything settled, did the paperwork, signed all the papers, and gave them the supercharger. They brought it to the back. They told me to just park this thing in the back, and should be done around 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. But let's park this thing and go check out our new rental car. Alrighty guys, I have just received my rental car here. Very nice rental car, as you guys can see. Dodge Durango Hellcat here. This thing has a V8 supercharged engine, so it does have that nice crispy supercharger sound. But we have dual exhaust here. Pretty casual, common diffuser there. Huge wheels there. Very nice looking headlights. And a pretty clean grille. But as you guys can see, this car is very nice. It has quite a lot of ground clearance there, perfect amount of ground clearance. But right now, let's get a quick startup on this thing. As you guys heard there, this thing sounds phenomenal. Very deep tone in the exhaust sound, and also very nice looking car, as you guys see there. But overall, I'm really liking this car. It has a very smooth suspension. Has a very smooth ride, very comfortable driving in this thing. This car would be a phenomenal road trip car. Like this car right here would probably be pretty expensive in gas. I mean, it is a V8 supercharged engine, but I mean, it's worth it. Fun driving around. You could probably have some fun driving this on your road trip. Just floor it down the highway or just normal roads, back roads. Very nice car. Could probably overtake some cars in the back road because this car has a lot of power. For this size SUV, very quick. But yeah, this car is honestly very nice in my opinion. Very clean headlights there. But yeah, so overall this car, I give it a 10 out of 10. Very nice handling and very comfortable drive. And this thing also handles very well. I just honestly really like it because the suspension is just very smooth on this thing. It gives you a very comfortable ride. But yeah. So this thing is full tank, so I don't need to get any gas for it right now. But yeah, so it is currently 3 p.m. right now. And it's called, my car gets finished turbocharged while it's when it turns 6, it should probably be done. But yeah, as you guys see, this thing is very quick. We are at like 170 right now. The top speed on this thing is like 173, I'm guessing. 174 there. 175. 176. Can we hit 180? Let's see. Can we hit 180? Oh my goodness. Okay, 178. Oh my goodness, 180. There we go. Oh my goodness, this thing is good. This thing is so nice. They could literally go flying off the ramp there. Very nice flying car here. But it is currently 4 p.m. I'm gonna just head down to the dealership right now and see if they have it done. I think I'm good with this rental car now. It's a very nice rental car, honestly. But let's head down to the dealership, return the rental car, and see if they finished the car. Even though it's pretty early, I'm guessing they finished it early. But let's just go check it out, and I'll get to you guys once we arrive at the dealership. Alrighty guys, I have just arrived at the dealership here, and they actually finished this thing. Finished turbocharging it, and this thing looks clean. As you guys see, this thing is in fresh condition, and let's get a quick startup on this thing and hear how the turbo sounds. Alrighty guys, as you guys heard, this thing sounds phenomenal, but you guys didn't really get to hear the turbo sounds there. You guys only heard supercharger sounds. But let me actually go drive it around and let you guys hear how this thing sounds. I'll show you guys how the turbo sounds. Alright guys, as you guys heard that this thing sounds so nice. Very clean sound there. Very clean turbo sounds. And I am very happy with the end result here. And before we take this thing home, let's bring this thing into the car wash. Get this thing all nice and cleaned. And take this thing back home. So here we are. Let's take this thing through the car wash. Very nice. Guys see there, very clean looking. But I think that is gonna conclude this video guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me or send a text, though.